yours and your fuel cell and your nitrogen throttle.
This is Dean Kearney's bye run. Kyle Mohan is not going to compete. He is, so this is a bye run. He is advancing on. Ryan, I kind of want to cut more into this, if you don't mind. The HyperNFT.io Dodge Viper. Dean Kearney wraps out through the rest of the course. Hey, Lontaine, just wrapping out with you. Finding out what's going on here.
What the hell is this? You're fucking off throttle right there.
No, that is not true. That is not true. Not true. That's the entry. It's not the entry. You have to eat break at some point. Hey, Ted. So I'm waiting on you. Oh, show stop.
The O'Reilly Auto Parts Grade 8 is back at it, and we are taking a look as Trent Beecham, Dean Kearney. There it is. And we are seeing a look at Dean Kearney, Trent Beecham. So we are seeing our first battle of the Final Four. We will digress to finish out the Higa, the Brazilian battle. We are taking a look at Trent Beecham, Dean Kearney, HyperNFT.io Dodge Viper. Comes in a few other judges using all the doors. Doesn't get out of the wall, doesn't tap it. But Trent Beecham, look at that great traffic. Look at outside zone 3. Tucked in the pocket, Beecham takes a bit of a shallower line and outside zone 3 into the inside clip. Ooh, Dean Kearney does take that off pretty aggressively. It looked like it's kind of center line as opposed to front left headlight. The Angry Viper, Beecham will lead. Next in tires, Clonex, BMW, the LS under the hood, HyperNFT.io Dodge Viper, given the chase position. You see the lights illuminate. Once they extinguish, it's go time. Lick the stamp and send it, kids. Here we go. United States Postal Service coming right up, or actually Irish as well, because they get fresh charges. Here we go. Trent Beecham using all of the course. Great job on the first outside jump, but he's getting around. But he does have some major mistakes. Oh! Yo,
he was coming out strong.
That was, dude. He kind of broke a little wrist there on that arm wrestling match, but then it just snapped back because unfortunately Trent Beecham had that major mistake. Dean Kearney, Trent Beecham. Here are the scores. Dean Kearney gets the win. Carnage is going to the finals.
All 10 cylinders.
All 10 cylinders. SRT 10 Dodge Viper, bro.
Dude, yeah, man. Fucking hell, I thought your rotation on the way in was gonna fuck me. I was like, you motherfucker. And I kept cranking, but the car's walking backwards.
Yeah,
I'm like,
yeah.
go.
I was so slippery on outer ones. I walked out like on one, and then I transitioned. I was like, oh, it ripped up instantly. That's why I like twitched around right there. To take it home, bud. You got it.
We're gonna find out who gets the win over Dean Kearney and Rome Charpentier. RCP, Dean Kearney, our finals are set.
Final between Rome and Dean.
I'm fucking pumped. This asshole said that I'm too monotone, but like I actually am very excited. Just trying to stay silently excited so that I stay focused and keep working.
Are you ready, Long Beach? Make some noise! When the lights extinguish, it's time to set it. Lick the stamp. Let's go. USPS, DHL, FedEx, let's go. Dean Kearney and RCP running through that start chicane. There's Dean Kearney firing off on all 10 cylinders. SRT 10 into that first inside, outside zone. And there it is, using all the course into that second outside zone. You see him, RCP, tucking into that smoke signal. Look at that, right into the pocket. The third outside zone, into the inside clip. Dialing it in. Really well done by Dean Kearney, but Rome could not be shooken. Shooken, not stirred, RCP. And here we go. Let's set it! Make some noise, Long Beach. Here we go. Rome Charpentier. BMW. He did it last night. He comes up a bit short. Dean Kearney. To attack. He comes in on the inside. Oh, does deliver on that third. Oh, buddy.
Now this will get interesting.
Okay.
Two things I saw.
So at first.